You know of anybody who leave, go on them vacation and decide to cook? No, sir. Them buy food and people cater to them. But I could not resist this. After I go to the market for my mother and I see all those rich pumpkin and carrot and all the nice food that I can't get when I'm here. No, I may have to buy some things and go home, go cook. See there? Cow skin, beef, the rich pumpkin and carrot and cow foot. Look on the cow foot. Look on the cow foot and the whole heap of pimento. No, sir. Me have to go home, go cook this a rich soup. Look on the soup. Look at the soup. Me have beef, me have cow skin, and me have cow foot. Look on the pound. Pretty, pretty, pretty pumpkin. Look at the color. We Jamaican deal with color. Look at the soup, the color. No, sir. Tell me who go on vacation and cook. Nobody but me.